Good morning, students. In previous class, we have studied lesson number up to lesson 15. Now, today we will study lesson number 16. Guess the author. We have to here other pictures were given. We have to guess that one. What is written? Book or character, and author name. For example, first one 1 to 10 given. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Who is the author of Harry Potter? J.K. Rowling. So, yeah, first one is J.K. Rowling. You have to write that one. J.K. what? Rowling. And second, James Bond. Who is the author of James Bond? Anne Fleming. Anne what? Fleming. Second one. And third one, Hamlet. The author of the book Hamlet is, who was the author of the book Hamlet? William Shakespeare. Who is that? William Shakespeare. So third one is William Shakespeare. Fourth one, Alice Adventures in Wonderland. Who is the author of the book Alice Adventures in Wonderland? Lewis Carroll. Fourth one. Now fifth, who is the author of the book Sherlock Holmes? Who was the author of the book Sherlock Holmes? Arthur Conan Doyle. And sixth one, Tarzan. Who was the author of the book Tarzan? Edgar Rice Burroughs. That one, the author of the book Tarzan. Now, who was the author of the book Gora? The author of the book Gora was Rabindranath Tagore. Seventh one. Now, eighth one, A Tale of Two Cities. Charles Dickens. And ninth one, who was the author of the book Gulliver Travels? The author of the book Gulliver Travels is Jonathan Swift. And 10th one, who was the author of the book Kim? The author of the book Kim is Rudyard Kipling. So these are the 10. Note down this in your textbook. Lesson 17, Tourist Delight. Tourist means sometimes we are going for picnic वगैरह like that. India is a beautiful and fascinating country. Okay, let us find out about some tourist places by unscribbling the letter in the bracket. Unscribbling the letter in the bracket means, for example, like this is given: B T Q U N R A M R. Like this word is given, so we have to write the correct spelling. Unscribbling. आगे पीछे वर्ड से उसको बराबर सेंटेंस में हमें उसको सेंटेंस लाना है, ठीक है, उसका मतलब. Now first one is, near which monument can one find the iron pillar? Below or near which monuments can one find the iron pillar? Which is that one? Qutub Minar. From this word we are getting what? Qutub Minar. So correct spelling is Qutub Minar. First one. Okay. Second, most tourists come to visit the Kumbh Mela that is held every 4 years at Haridwar, Allahabad, Ujjain and Dash. This Kumbh Mela is very big. That one, यानी ये बहुत बड़ा मेला लगा रहता है और हर 4 साल के बाद आता है कुंभ मेला. तो वहाँ क्या है? Most tourists come to visit. वहाँ पर जाते हैं बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट लोग देखने के लिए. कुंभ मेला that is held every 4 years at Haridwar, Allahabad, Ujjain and Dash. Second one is Nashik. Third name is Kinsh written now, so Nashik. Second one. Now third, name the place that is the home of the one-horned Indian rhinoceros situated in the state of Assam. What is that? Kaziranga. Third one is Kaziranga. And fourth, there is only one temple in India that is dedicated to Lord Brahma. Name the city in Rajasthan where it is located. It is located in what? Pushkar. In Rajasthan it is Pushkar. And fifth one, it means a forest of tulsi trees and is believed to be the birthplace of Lord Krishna in Uttar Pradesh. What is its name? That is called Vrindavan. Only that tulsi trees are there in this Vrindavan. Okay. Now sixth one, India's prime space center is located in Andhra Pradesh at Sriharikota. What is that one? Kata, that one. And seventh one, where is Tamil Nadu is the famous Nataraja temple built by the Chola rulers located? It is at Chidambaram. And Eighth one, which state is home to the world third largest pig and various kinds of orchids? That is called which state? State Sikkim. Eighth one is Sikkim. Which place, ninth one, which place in India is known as God's own country? That is which state? Kerala state. And last one, in God's own country, dash is a tropical evergreen rainforest nestled in the mountain fold of the Nilgiris. That is what? Silent Valley. Which valley that one? Silent Valley. So these are the 10. So note down in your notebook. Lesson 18. Now water watch. The river of India lie amidst mythical experiences, mythological meaning and scenic beauties. Here is a water watch. Tick right for the correct option. Which is the longest river in Punjab? Now options were given Ravi or Satluj. So correct option is Satluj. Satluj is the longest river in Punjab. Second, the Ganga changes its name as it goes into Bangladesh. What is it called? Mahanadi or Padma? It is Padma. So correct option is second one is Padma. Third, which is the third river along with the Ganga and the Yamuna that makes the Sangam at Allahabad? Mahakali or Saraswati? That is what? Saraswati. So put right for Saraswati. Third, Saraswati. Okay. Now fourth, on the bank of which river is the Taj Mahal built? Ganga or Yamuna? It is built on the bank of Yamuna river. Okay. Now fifth one, where is the Marina Beach situated? Goa or Chennai? It is Marina Beach is situated in Chennai only. Okay. So the correct option is Chennai. Sixth one, which Indian state has the largest number of inland waterways? Karnataka or Kerala? Correct option is Kerala. So put right for Kerala. Seventh one, what is the name of the dam project on the Narmada? Sardar Sarovar Dam or Bhakra Nangal Dam? So correct option is Sardar Sarovar Dam. Now eighth one, which state does the Mahanadi river pass through? Bihar or Odisha? It is passed through Odisha. So option Odisha. Ninth one, which sea surrounds the coast of Mumbai? Arabian Sea or Indian Sea? Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is surrounded the coast of Mumbai. 10th one, although the Brahmaputra is longer than the Ganga, Brahmaputra river is longer than the river Ganga, how much of its flow through India? 1/5 or 1/3? So correct option is 1/3. Last one, which Indian river rises at the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas? Ganga or Krishna? The river Ganga. So put right in your textbook this one. 11 options. Lesson 19, Nobel Prize fact. Nobel Prize what? Fact. Here given 6. Answer the following question. 6 question. So first question is that I won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1903 along with my husband for my work on radioactivity. I won the second Nobel Prize for Chemistry for my work on radium in 1911. Who was the scientist? The name of that scientist is Marie Curie. Marie Curie. So first one is Marie Curie. Second question now. I won the Nobel Prize twice for Physics in 1956. I shared it with William Shockley and Walter Brattain for inventing the transistor, and in 1972 with Leon Cooper and John Skripper for the theory of superconductivity. Who is that scientist? John Bardeen. John Bardeen. Second one. And third, I won the Nobel Prize for Chemistry twice in the year 1958 for my work on the structure of insulin, and in 1980 for my work on the chemical structure of nucleic acid with Walter Gilbert and Paul Berg. Who is that scientist? Frederick Sanger. Frederick Sanger. Third one. Now fourth one. I was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1964, but I declined the prize because I had consistently declined all official honors. I believed in existentialism. Who is that scientist? Scientist name is, fourth one, Jean-Paul Sartre. Jean-Paul Sartre. Understood? Fourth one. Now fifth one. I won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1958, but I returned the prize. The scientist name is, he won the Nobel Prize, but he returned the prize. Why? Because the name of that scientist is Boris Pasternak. Boris Pasternak. And last one, I won the Nobel Prize with my father W.H. Bragg in 1915 for the analysis of crystal structure by means of X-ray. Last one is William Lawrence Bragg. William Lawrence Bragg. So these are the 6 questions, and I have written on answer on the blackboard. So note down that. Now last lesson, medicine. Lesson 20, medicine contours. Medicine contours. Now here write the correct answer to know about some disease. Which part of the human body does the disease AIDS attack? What is the full form of AIDS at first? Full form of AIDS means AIDS means what? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Sometimes you may write the full form of this AIDS. So you have to write this correct spelling. So by this, acquired immunodeficiency what? Syndrome. So which part of the human body does the disease AIDS attack? Nervous system or immune system? Which system? Immune system. So second option is correct. If you cannot see distant object, you have this myopia or hypermetropia. Myopia. So correct option is myopia. Now third, if one has high blood pressure, the person would be suffering from this arteries or hypertension. So correct option is hypertension. Fourth one, encephalitis affect this organ, lungs or brains? It is attacked what? Lungs or brain? It is attacked what? Brains. Now fifth one, influenza is caused by virus or mosquito? Influenza is caused by virus. Fifth one. Now sixth, malaria is caused by Anopheles mosquito or bed bug? And malaria is caused by Anopheles mosquito. First option. Now seventh, a person who worries a lot about his or her health is called hypochondriac or anorexic. Correct option is which one? That is, I think that a person, seventh one, hypochondriac. First option, hypochondriac. Now eighth one, leprosy is caused by virus or bacteria? Leprosy is caused by bacteria. Eighth one. And ninth one, a disease that spread widely and affect many people at the same time throughout a country is called pandemic disease or congenital. Which one is correct? Pandemic. That is called pandemic disease. 10th one, increased pressure on the lens of the eye causing gradual loss of sight is known as glaucoma or cataract. It is which option? First one, glaucoma. And last one, swine flu is caused by the virus H5N1 or H1N1. It is N1. H1N1. Option 2 option are given. Swine flu is caused by the virus H5N1 or H1N1. So correct option is H1N1. Full form of H is hemagglutinic and N stand for neuromini disease. Are both protein that are found in the outer side or envelope of the virus. So this is the name of disease only, H1N1. So note down this 11.